it isn't just about being. It's not about ticking off places on a map or standing still in front of views you have seen 100 times on screens. It's about feeling. Sensing the air, the rhythm, the silence and the storm. It's about noticing the small things, the contrast, the colors, the textures of life. Through travel, ask us to look deeper, to not just see, but to notice, to not just move, but to feel moved. And some places, they don't fit into a single feeling. They don't fit into categories. They refuse to be simplified. A place of opposites that somehow belong together, of fire and forest, of calm and chaos. And the more you try to describe it, the more words begin to feel small. Because this place isn't meant to be explained. It's meant to be experienced. This is Tenerife, the essence of diversity.